Hi everyone, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you're having a great day. Happy Friday, and welcome to week 3 of our Halloween Memory Decks card series. And I'm doing the series along with Armin, Happy Mail Queen. And this week, super excited, we have a special guest, Erica, Scrap Diva 29 is joining in, so I can't wait to see what she's created. Everything she creates is amazing, so I really just can't wait to see. And thank you so much, Erica, for joining in. And so this week, the prompt was Shapeshifter or Shaped Memory Decks cards. And these are the cards that I created. So I don't have a lot of Shaped Memory Decks cards and actually nothing really Halloween themed. So I used this, it's like a frozen treat, frozen yogurt type of Memory Decks card die, and I used it once before with the tropical summer theme, and it's really cute. So I just thought it would be fun to change it up and make it work for Halloween. So I was really happy with the way it turned out. So I just kept using the 31 paper collection by Prima, and I did some gold stitching here at the bottom. This is a little chipboard sentiment that says Happy Halloween. And I cut out the little spoon that it comes with and added a little spider web and candy corn there, some bling and charms. And I thought this was so cute. I love the little bat die because there's little bats in this part of the paper. And then I did use pink foam on the top here and Nuvo drops in orange. And then I added a little spider web, totally inspired by Armin because she's been doing that on a lot of hers, and I just really like the way it looks once they're all like put in the little box all together. The spider webs and things like that look really cute poking out of the top. So there's my first card, and let me see. The next card I created, I do have a witch hat bag topper that I love to use around Halloween time, so I thought it would be fun to make it into a shaped Memory Decks card, and I just used another one of my basic dies by Heidi Swap. I think it's the ticket shaped one, and I just cut it out about halfway, and then I sandwiched that piece in between the bag topper because it folds over. So if you have any bag topper dies, I think they work really well because you can just fold them and then make a little Memory Decks card, like half base, and put it in there. And then I just cut another piece using the pattern paper and layered that. I added this little rose like ruffle trim there. And the witch hat bag topper die and the bow are both by My Creative Time. And I cut this out in that chunky pink glitter paper. And then I love this little ghost. It's one of the puffy stickers from the collection, and the hearts too. And then I added another little spider web here and just added more Nuvo drops in pink and orange, and this cute little spider, and then this really pretty pink and gold trim here at the bottom. So there's my witch hat, and those are my two cards. These are the My Creative Time dies, that I use. This is the Fun Size Holiday Bow die, and there is the item number in case you're interested. And then I don't have the packaging, but this is the witch hat bag topper, and it comes with these little accessory pieces too. And for next week, week 4 is going to be buttons and bling as the prompt, and we have a bonus challenge. It is Double Trouble, I believe. So for that, it's just an extra little fun challenge for you to create 2 of the same or similar Memory Decks cards. And one is for you to keep, and the other one is for you to send as a rack to a crafty friend or someone that you just, would like to send a little happy mail to. And so I thought that would be fun. We thought that would be fun. So that's just like a little bonus challenge. And, just spread the little Halloween fun around. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed taking a look. I hope you like the Memory Decks cards that I created and that you're having fun following along. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you next week. And thanks for stopping by. Bye, guys.